Hi everyone, Zarina here, aka Woolly Nomad. Now I just wanted to share my hat kick that I've been on. So the most recent video you've seen is this one, and prior to that we did the mystery hat knit along. So this was the mystery hat knit along. I knitted it up in the medium size, and this was the one I've just done and released recently, and that's the small size. And both of them are pumpkin related, and even though, okay, Halloween's over, I still think you can wear these. Maybe this is a bit more Halloweeny, but that one certainly is wearable. Anyway, based on these, I thought let's knit up another hat and think about Fireworks night. So here in the UK we have something called Fireworks night. Yeah, so it's a historical remembrance of people blowing up Parliament. So yeah, I thought, yeah, let's make a hat. So we've got some wording. Instead of Hello Pumpkin, we've got Firecracker, and then on the back we've got some sort of fireworky but in heart shapes, which I thought would be nice. And I've knit that up in a medium to large size, and I'm going to link to the pattern down below. There's also an extra large size for this. So this is the sort of medium to large, and then I've done an extra large. This yarn, it was this one, Celestar, and it's naturally dyed with indigo. Unfortunately, it's all ended up all over my hands. I have washed my hands twice, so it does come off. So when I wash this hat, it's going to go somewhere. But it's lovely to knit with. It's got cashmere, angora and lambswool in it. Merino, British merino as well. Support the British industry, very important. 4-ply, 200. So I used this double. And then for the accent, I used a Regia double. And it's a variegated yarn. And I chose something sort of light and bright. And I'm just balancing it here on my bush. Yeah. It's hard to do things one-handed. Yeah, anyway, there we are. Yeah, so that's the hat kick that we've been on really, and we'll probably do some sort of Christmassy hat at some point as well. Let's see what we do. I really like this idea of having text though, instead of like just a flowery pattern. Yeah, I think that works really nicely. Hey Bubbles, what do you think? Anyway, pattern is linked down below, and I will see you in the next episode. Bubbles thinks it's great fun.